Hello students, myself Praveen Kumar welcomes you in my YouTube channel English Hour. I hope you all are fine. Once again I have come with a new topic and today's our topic is preposition. So let's start preposition. Preposition is a word which is used before a noun or pronoun to show its relationship with another parts of a speech, such as verb, adjective, adverb, or another noun or pronoun. For example, the first sentence, she will come at 5 o'clock. The word at, it is the preposition here. And in second, the book is on the table. The word on is the preposition. In third, there is a car in front of the house. The words in front of the preposition here. Now, category of preposition. Preposition can be categorized into three based on their form. First, simple preposition, second, compound preposition, and third, complex or phrase preposition. So what is the simple preposition? Dear students, simple preposition means a single words preposition are called simple preposition. For example, in, on, at, to, for. These are the single words prepositions. So it is the simple preposition. Okay. Now second, compound preposition. So what is the compound preposition? When two or more words are combined to form one single preposition, we say it compound preposition. For example, outside, outside, inside, and into. These all are the compound preposition. And in third, complex or phrase preposition. So, complex preposition when a group of words does the work of a single preposition. For example, along with, because of, due to. These all are the complex or phrase preposition. Kinds of preposition according their function. So there are four kinds of preposition according their function. First, preposition of place. Second, preposition of time. Third, preposition of direction. And fourth, preposition of cause and purpose. First, preposition of place. So a preposition that tell us about the position of things are called preposition of place, as above, under, over, beside, down, near, in front of, etc. For example, first, he is waiting at home. The word at, it is the preposition of place. And second, the cat is under the chair. The word under, it is the preposition of place here. In third, the bell was hanging above the door. Here the word above, it is the preposition of place. Next, preposition of time. Prepositions that tell us when something happened are called preposition of time, as on, in, till, during, after, before, since, for, over, etc. For example, our classes begin at 9 p.m. Here, the word at, it shows the preposition of time. And second, I have not seen her since March. So the word since, it is the preposition of time. And third, my mother gets up before dawn. So the word before here, it is the preposition of time. Preposition is preposition of direction. Here, preposition of direction show us to where or in which direction something moves. For example, as to, at, towards, through, into, over, under, up, down, etc. For example, first, can you jump over the fence? The word over, it is the preposition of direction. And second, the boy dived into the pool. The word into, it is the preposition of direction. And third, they walked along the river. So here the word along, it is the preposition of direction. The next, preposition of cause and purpose. The preposition which show a reason of a happening is known as preposition of cause or purpose, as for, of, with, by, from, through, to, on, account of, etc. For example, first, I will always be here for you. The word for, it is the preposition of cause. And second, I got a new bike from my parents. The word from is the preposition of cause or purpose. And third, we used coal in hydraulic plant to make electricity. So the word to is here preposition of cause and purpose. I hope you have understood the preposition and it will be beneficial for you. Thanks for